This is another VWAP downwards play I took on ASTS. ASTS had been gapping down into the pre-market and had opened around yesterday's low. And it sold off right at the open. And now I see it's returning back to the VWAP on very low volume. So what I'm looking for here is how it reacts to the VWAP and if it rejects it. And then I can think about taking it short. So as I said, I'm looking at this, and this bar is pretty big coming back, but the volume is quite low compared to the Saviga volume in the bars before. So it doesn't really seem like there's a lot of buying interest here. So I'm just looking at it again. It's having tough time now at the VWAP, and I see here it's rejecting it. And I might go ahead and I take it short here. And I thought my stop just about the VWAP around 55.60. And so now I'm just hoping that it's going to flush back down. Usually with a big move up like that, you get a pretty sudden move back down. And yeah, here it goes. All right, and there's my first partial. And again, I partial always around 2R just to take a little bit of profit. And now, my next target is going to be bound around the pre-market low, which is just at the bottom of the chart there around 54.20. So I am looking at this, and it does seem like there is a bit of support at 54.60. We see it's been buying around that area. So I'm still pretty profit in this trade, but we are going to have to, I could break through that area of support. But no need to worry about this. We just sit here and watch it. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit. So yeah, as you can see here again, 54.60, it gets bought up from there. So we are showing that area of support. Can't quite break it yet, but I do expect when it does break it, that it's going to flush down pretty quickly. And again, even if it comes against me, I've already taken one partial, and I will get out at my break-even point. So, once I've taken some profit, I make sure I never go negative on the trade, and that's pretty important for me. So right now, I'm just sitting here waiting for this to break that area of support. And it came back a bit against me, but again, not too worried. I have just, I know what I'm going to do. If it gets back to my break-even, I'm out. If it goes down, I'm going to start taking more partials. And so this is a pretty simple trade. Again, just playing things off the VWAP. You see that, return to VWAP at low volume. It's a pretty good signal that it's going to end up getting rejected at VWAP, and you could play it in the opposite direction. If you learned something in this video, please give me a like. And if you have any questions about how this trade works, by all means, just send me a message. Happy trading.